I'm Karen, one of your SNAP4CT nutritionists. Today we're going to be talking all about green leafy vegetables. These include things like spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, and more. Let's start by talking about some fun facts. Did you know that green leafy vegetables are a great source of vitamins A and C? They even have twice the amount of vitamin C of an orange. They are a great source of calcium, potassium, and fiber. They're also rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients. These are our immune boosters that help our bodies decrease inflammation. Let's talk about choosing your greens at the grocery store or farmer's market. You want to look for crisp, moist greens. They should be free of any brown spots, yellow spots, holes, sliminess, or dryness. Look for dark green bunches with small to medium leaves. Now let's talk about the best way to store these greens now that you've got them home. So you want to store unwashed greens in a paper towel, a moist paper towel. Put them in a plastic bag and store this in the coldest part of your refrigerator for about 3 to 5 days. Now if you're ready to eat those greens, let's talk about how you prepare them. So you want to thoroughly wash greens before you eat them. You'll want to take whatever green you have, this is Swiss chard, remove the leaves from the stem. Now don't throw this stem away. This has lots of nutrition, it's good for you, and it can be incorporated into lots of different dishes. So I've got a large bowl of water and some greens already in here. What we just need to do is swish around the leaves, and all the dirt and debris that might be stuck between the leaves will fall to the bottom. You'll take these leaves out, discard the water, refill the bowl with more cold water, put the greens back in, and repeat until there's no more dirt in that water. Once your greens are washed, just dry them with paper towels, and we can talk about the best part, that's eating these greens. So there's many ways that you can eat greens. They can be added to soups and stews, eaten raw in salads, thrown into smoothies. You can also saute them with oil or slow cook them. Sturdy greens like kale or collard greens can be used as a wrapper in place of a tortilla or bread. If you're gonna microwave fresh greens, remember for every 2 cups of greens, microwave for 2 minutes. Just put those washed greens in a microwave safe bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and get heated. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious kale slaw. This is such an easy recipe, it's delicious, I think you're really gonna love it. So in the bowl here I have some kale and I have some red cabbage. We're going to add some unsweetened dried cranberries, feta cheese, unsalted sunflower seeds, and then we've made our own dressing here. So this is a combination of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. And we like to do this because it's cost effective. Instead of having 10 containers of salad dressing in the fridge, you can make anything you'd like with a few ingredients. So let's just pour that over and toss to combine. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those beautiful colors. And like I said, so easy. Few ingredients. That purple against the green is just gorgeous. And that's it. It's ready to serve. The average adult needs about 2.5 cups of vegetables per day. I know that sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. For greens, 2 cups of raw greens or 1 cup cooked is equivalent to a 1 cup serving of vegetables. Let me show you what that looks like. So because this is raw, we're going to serve ourselves 2 cups to get that 1 cup equivalent. And our second cup. So that there is already 1 of the 2.5 cups that the average adult should have in a day. Thank you for joining me today to learn more about green leafy vegetables. I hope you try this recipe at home. You can find it on our website, SNAP4CT.org. Until next time, happy cooking!